Shooter ready? Go! That was cool. That was cool. All right, guys, we're here at the range today. We got Wendell here.
Hey guys.
This is our new guy, Ryan.
Hello.
And of course me. And I'll let Wendell introduce his son.
Yeah. Got Ryan shooting with us today. We're doing some tactical style pistol stuff, and hopefully it'll be a good day. So we've been wanting to get you on the channel. Why don't you tell us about yourself?
I'm Ryan. I'm 35 years old. I'm a Sagittarius. I was born in Massachusetts.
We won't hold that against you.
No.
Sorry.
I'm a 13-year law enforcement officer. I'm an instructor in a lot of things. And that's about it.
So, and he's going to help us get a little bit better with our tactical shooting. We'll run some drills. So I think we should get up the next shooter. Who's next?
Okay.
Well, I'm ready to go. I could go next.
I need to grip mine.
All right. Ready?
All right.
So we're going to, so 3, 3, 3, mag change, then 2, 2, right?
Yep, however you want to do it.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Up.
Shit.
All right.
I'm kind of rusty, I think.
Or your gun doesn't like that ammo.
I don't know about that. One misfire.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow, that was a course of fire, huh? Whew. Alrighty. Shooter ready? Go. He's not going to testify.
Nope.
You didn't follow the course of fire, Wendell.
I improvised. But I did hit him in the head. That was Ryan's on his last run. That was mine. And not bad. So, anyways.
These were mine.
That'll kill him. Hey, he ain't testifying with that stuff. Wendell, Ryan's gonna do some cool guy shit. Let's go for it. Shooter ready? Go! cool guy stuff, man. So let's see. Over here, 2 here. Oh, you shot 3 times?
2 there, and 2 on that one.
All right. I got 3 here.
Yeah, I might have shot that one 3 times.
So you got a head, 2 there.
Yeah, I did failure drill that one.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Not bad walking.
very true.
Alrighty. That was cool guy stuff, man. They teach you that in the police academy, or?
They teach you a lot more than that.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
All right, cool.
They make you run first, get all
I'm amped
exhausted,
up. Yeah?
and then they make you do it under duress.
Well, that's fun.
No, it's not.
I was being facetious. All right. Next shooter.
So the goal for this is if you're talking to somebody or you're engaging somebody and they're being aggressive and you have to shoot them at this close of a distance, it's called shooting at retention, okay? You don't want to draw out and present them a firearm. You want to keep it close to your body, okay? So the goal is you should be able to come out, get your arm out of the way, bring the muzzle up, fire a couple rounds to the center mass, step back, and then hit him with a failure drill.
All right, is that what we're gonna do?
We're gonna do that right now.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Shooter ready? Go. Damn. Damn, that was quick, man.
So that's retention, okay? 2 rounds, 1, 2, failure drill. We're gonna do that one more time. Ready?
All right. Shooter ready? Go. Ready to, topped off and ready to rock and roll again.
Yep.
All righty.
That's doing that at retention. We call it the rock and lock. That's what that is.
It's nice to see that they're teaching cops to be gunfighters.
Sometimes.
That was pretty cool, Wendell. Shooter ready? Go. Go for it.
Okay. Tell me when.
Shooter ready. Fire. Alrighty. There you go. All right, we got done with a nice good day shooting with Ryan, Wendell, and myself. And Ryan ran us through some drills, and I realized it's been a long time since I was a good shooter. So we got to come out and run more drills.
We all got a lot of rust on us.
Yeah.
So, yep.
This guy here was pretty good.
You do better.
Yeah, definitely can do better.
He was
You
trying to
can
get,
shoot a lot better.
he was trying to get used to shooting with the drone flying over your head.
That was weird.
So,
That was weird.
yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yep.
So, all right, guys, that's our range day for today. We shot 9mm mostly. Well, almost exclusively 9mm. He brought his duty weapon out and he shot his rifle for a little bit. But yeah, expect more of these to come, and stand by for we're gonna go and shoot a podcast now. So we also do that. Look for our podcast, the After Action Roundtable.
Oh, and following up on the PSA Dagger, ran that today, put about 150 rounds through it, flawless.
Flawless, you like
Shot
it?
great, so.
Anything you want to add?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and then check in the description for our merch down in the bottom. Thank you.